And just like that, a couple days later, we're back. We have just received our package from Humble Rumble. Well, technically it was SMY. Thankfully, they had it in stock. These were out of stock everywhere. They had it, and we was able to order it. This was actually pre-order. I think they both were. But we got them secured. So now we're gonna install this today. This is what the kit provides. This is the V3, and we got the install accessory kit. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take us, but it says I think it's 1 to 2 hours. It's 2:40 right now. I'm gonna work on it throughout the day because I'm kind of busy right now. So we're gonna try to start removing the wiper motor and stuff like that to leave it all empty. So by the time it's 4ish o'clock, we're gonna tackle it. So now we got this, we got our drill, we got batteries, so we should be fine. Hopefully we can finish this off today because that squeaky noise is getting really annoying. Let's do this. So from what I know, we have to remove these wiper caps just like that. Just popped it out with my 2 fingers. So I don't know what size that is, but we're gonna figure that out. Pop this out too. There's a Phillip heads. There are like a couple clips. There's one here. There's one there. Oh, this one's missing. And there's a couple over there. And this clip too, right here too. Okay, so I got that one. So we got it out. Now we have to take out these bolts, which I think are 14s as well. Okay, so for this one, there's like a clip or latch right here in the bottom. It's not too in, but it's right there in the bottom. Yep, got it. After some cleaning, we gotta clean, I guess, I don't know, windshield bay. I don't know what to call it. So right now I'm gonna mark where the spot welds are. Right here, right here, right there. I think there's 2 up here somewhere. Go ahead. Alright, so we got the Humble Rumble kit. I'm gonna see what this comes with. This is the whole kit. Comes with washers, nuts, and the bolts. And got a little thank you. Little thank you card. Pretty nice gesture. And we got the instructions. So these are the instructions. It's a booklet, pretty cool. I guess he sends a different type of bit now. He sends this one now, smaller one. So I guess we're gonna use that. We got the wire. I was trying to make my own kit because I pretty much had everything except for the wire. And they sell, I think, a pack in Lowe's. I just wasn't sure if it's the same one, so I decided to do it just to get the pack and make it easier for myself. Hopefully this is the problem. If not, I think the issue would be the pedal assembly, because I don't think the brakes would help it. It's either the assembly or the firewall, but it doesn't look like it's cracked. All right, let's get started. Those are the 4. None of them are cracked, so that's what's concerning. And there's 2 more over here, up there, and they don't look cracked either. So I'm gonna start off with those and then work my way with these 2, and probably leave these 2 alone. Definitely Definitely this helps. I think it's all the way to 12. Once it hits here, good. Ouch. We're about to lose sunlight, but we just got the second one in. That one is probably the hardest, just because of the angle and how deep it is. This doesn't allow you to like drill that far, so it kind of went in an angle, but I made it happen. I used another bit to help with the extension, but yeah, we got it in. So now we're gonna do these two next. And what I'm using is an Allen key and a 14, because those are 14s. And we finished. It took us about maybe 2 hours, I want to say. This one is probably the most troublesome. That's what took the longest. And yeah, those two were pretty easy in there. So now we're gonna put the sealant, and that's all I need for now, because none of them was really cracked. But I think one over here, that one was a little cracked, nothing crazy. But I think I need a new pedal assembly, because I don't think this was it. But nonetheless, it's something that we just did just now. It's precaution right now that we did to avoid any failure, so that's good.